In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to a Weebly website. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly add a document or photo to your site, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through each step, making sure it's clear and easy to follow. So by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in enhancing your Weebly site with the files you need. Let's dive right in. The first step is to go to the Weebly site editor. You can access it by opening your web browser and navigating to the Weebly editor URL. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard, the launching pad for building and customizing your website. Next up, keep an eye out for the option labeled Show All Elements. This is important because it provides you with the full range of tools available in the editor. Clicking on this option will expand the Elements panel on your left, displaying everything you need in a clear and organized manner. It's like opening a toolbox, so you have everything readily available to work with. Now, locate the file element in the panel. What you need to do here is simply click on it, and then drag it over to the spot on your web page where you want the file link to appear. Think of this as placing the file on a shelf, where it will be displayed for your visitors to access. Make sure to drop it in the desired location on your page, as this is essentially where your file will live on your site. Once you've positioned the file element on your web page, you'll see an option that says click here to upload file. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a dialog box where you'll be prompted to upload your file. You're almost there, just a couple more clicks. When prompted by the dialog box, you'll see an upload file button. Clicking this will allow you to browse through your computer files to find the one you want to share on your site. Select your desired file, be a PDF, image, document, or other, and then hit the Open or Choose button to initiate the upload process. While the file uploads onto your Weebly website, you might notice a progress indicator showing the status of your upload. This visual cue is useful to confirm that everything's proceeding smoothly. And voila! Your file is now successfully uploaded to your Weebly website and ready for visitors to access. Remember, each step builds upon the last, so follow these instructions precisely to ensure your file is effectively integrated into your site. Experiment with different types of files and placements. To discover what works best for you, feel free to revisit these steps as often as needed to refine your website into a truly dynamic and engaging digital space. Thanks for watching and happy building with Weebly.